Hello, this is Gypsy Hawk in the garden, and I'm here today to talk to you about our featured plant of the week, which is Pothos Ivy. Now, Pothos Ivy is a trailing hardy plant that thrives in indirect light. It can be exposed to low light, but does thrive in indirect light. Watering should be done when topsoil 1 to 2 inches is dry. I usually do this once a week. If you do this in this manner, this will prevent any problems such as root rot. They prefer average household humidity, which is temperatures between 65 and 80 degrees, and benefit from monthly fertilizing during spring and summer. Now, the monthly fertilizing between spring and summer and pruning are really the only maintenance they require. So, and you don't prune them regularly. It's only when they start becoming too long for wherever you have them. Then you can clip them up so that way you can manage where they're growing. But that's really the only maintenance that they require. So they're very, very low maintenance. That is one benefit besides them being extremely beautiful and a nice scenery background plant. If you have a terrace or a like possibly a stairway going down like a split level house, or like down part of a wall that divides like one room to another. I've done that before where I've had them hanging down over, and they're very beautiful like that. They're beautiful plants, and also they have a benefit with air quality. They actually help with purifying the air. There was a study done by NASA, the Clean Air Study by NASA, which proved that they actually do purify the air, and they take out benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and carbon monoxide out of the air. And if you put them possibly by an entranceway, like near a garage where there might be exposure to those kind of fumes, then that benefits you in your house and purifies your air. So that's another great benefit. There is one important note to actually to remember too as well. If you have pets or children, you want to keep them up and out of the way, out of the reach of a pet or a child, because they can be toxic. They are toxic to children or pets. So you would want them to be out of the reach of children or pets. But other than that, they are extremely low maintenance. They are not high maintenance like an African violet or an orchid or geraniums or something like that. So they benefit in the beauty, in the air quality, and the low maintenance. This is my featured plant of the week. They are on my Etsy page. So feel free to reach out with me if you'd like any helpful hints and tips. Please visit my pages on Facebook, Gypsy Hawk profile page on Facebook, Gypsy Hawk's garden page on Facebook, and also my YouTube channel page, Gypsy Hawk's Garden 2 as well, where this video will be posted. So I hope everybody has a great week, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. I'm going to flip this around now too. There's sun in my eye, so I'm squinting a bit. Sorry about that. It's a little hot here in the greenhouse today. I'm going to flip this around so you can see some of the plants, the Pothos Ivies that I have available, and I'm going to do that right now. Now, here's a group of them that I have over here. I have several all over the place. There's some back there. Then I have the ones that I am growing, which I root from these. There's a couple down there too as well. But this is a good look at some that I have with some spider plants too as well. So if you have any questions or need any information in reference to this, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm always here with helpful hints and tips for gardening. And please remember to visit my Etsy page where these plants will be listed. Please visit my Facebook profile page, Gypsy Hawk, and my Facebook page, Gypsy Hawk's Garden. This will be on my YouTube channel, Gypsy Hawk's Garden. And I hope you all have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.